Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far. And welcome to this video. We'll talk about Bitcoin again. We'll do a full fundamental overview, but first we have to start with the technicals. Because technically, quite a lot happened. Yesterday evening, I believe it was, or it kind of depends on where you're from, obviously. But yesterday, we got a lot of momentum and a lot of volume into the markets, as you can see with these movements, which basically caused the price to rally from 30,300 and then drop back down to it, caused a volume inflow of around $3 billion. So that's great, was also expected. If you watch these daily Bitcoin updates, you knew that I at least thought that we would actually get a movement like this. And I think we'll actually continue it up to 31,400, because even though it looks like on the chart here that we just rallied from a point and then dropped down to that, the chart does show a different picture. The chart shows a bullish breakout above 30,350, which was the main resistance level, which we struggled with followed by a break retest and now bullish confirmation. So we'll talk a little bit more about those technicals and about the fundamentals, like the inflation rate coming tomorrow in this video. Before we dive into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. We've been very profitable so far, and I try to deliver as much value from my trading and my analysis in the exclusive chat room as well. So consider joining that if you're interested in that. But now onto Bitcoin. So yeah, like I said, basically it was to be expected yesterday as well that we got a drop from this level right here at 30,800. Most of you know that I think the current situation is that we are consolidating between 31.4K and 29.7K. And in the middle you have that level around, let's say, 30,250. and 30,850. Those are kind of the levels in the middle, which we respect in that consolidation. So we found resistance there. But now overall, I do expect that bullish momentum to continue, both because it works on the technical side. If you assume that we are in that consolidation, it works because we touched that bottom at around Friday, so quite some time ago. So now we're moving up to that top again, first of all. But second of all, as most of you know, and I'll do a full update on that tomorrow, but we'll also have the inflation rate coming tomorrow in the afternoon. I think it's like 29 hours from now, but you can check that out on myfxbook.com if it actually loads, because it's not loading so far. We don't really need to have it loaded, but still. So the inflation rate and the CPI numbers are coming tomorrow. I think the overall expectation for that, is bullish, because most of the economic results actually pointed towards less inflation, which is good. So in anticipation of that, I still expect this bullish momentum. Now, I'm not 100% certain if we can break through 30,850. At this point in time, I do think so. Yeah, it's got maintenance. At this point of time, I do think so, but if we find resistance there again and we get a significant pullback, then we might not be able to do so, because I do expect that tomorrow, like when the inflation rate is almost about to hit, I think we'll stabilize then. So the couple of hours before the inflation rate, usually we're quite stable. By the way, another explanation for this bullish momentum is that the dollar strength index is very, very bearish, probably also in anticipation of that inflation rate. But yeah, so that's what I expect. I think that, we'll do a full inflation rate update tomorrow, but I think it's actually possible to get some huge moves up to that 32,000 level and even above that. And just in general, it will cause a lot of volatility. So I'll still dive into that later tomorrow or in my update on Bitcoin tomorrow. But for now, this is my take on Bitcoin for today. Also a bit in anticipation of tomorrow. But yeah, so if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.